Low blood sugar? Try this sweet treat without the guilt. Feeling that dreaded low blood sugar crash? Don't reach for just anything. We're about to show you a delicious and healthy treat that will boost your energy without the guilt or the spike. Low blood sugar, or hypoglycemia, can be scary. It leaves you feeling shaky, lightheaded, and craving something sweet, fast. But grabbing a candy bar or sugary soda is a short-term fix with long-term consequences. It leads to a blood sugar roller coaster. We need a better solution, one that stabilizes your blood sugar and satisfies your sweet tooth. Most commercially available sweets are loaded with refined sugars. These sugars cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This is especially problematic for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar. The cycle of highs and lows can be exhausting and detrimental to your health. We need to find alternatives that are naturally sweet and don't cause these dramatic fluctuations. Our secret weapon? Chia seed pudding. It's packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. These nutrients help slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing those dreaded spikes. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and easy to customize. Let's dive into a simple recipe that's both delicious and blood sugar friendly. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup of mixed berries, fresh or frozen, a dash of cinnamon, and a few drops of stevia or monk fruit sweetener, optional. First, combine the chia seeds and almond milk in a jar or container. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Next, add the mixed berries, cinnamon, and your sweetener of choice. Stir again. Seal the container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. This allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Almond milk is low in carbohydrates and calories, making it a great alternative to dairy milk. Berries are packed with antioxidants and have a lower glycemic index than many other fruits. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Stevia and monk fruit are natural sweeteners that don't raise blood sugar levels. The beauty of chia seed pudding is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and toppings. Try adding a tablespoon of nut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle some chopped nuts or seeds for added crunch. You can also use different types of berries or add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a tangy twist. Get creative and find your favorite combination. While this chia seed pudding is a great tool, it's important to remember that managing blood sugar is a holistic process. Regular exercise is crucial. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This helps improve insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels. Pay attention to your diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Limit your intake of refined carbohydrates and sugary drinks. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood sugar levels. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Everyone's body is different. Pay attention to how different foods and activities affect your blood sugar levels. Work with your doctor or a registered dietitian to develop a personalized plan that meets your individual needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, managing blood sugar is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. You now have a delicious and healthy weapon in your arsenal against low blood sugar. This Berry Bliss Chia Seed Pudding is not only a tasty treat, but also a powerful tool for stabilizing your blood sugar and keeping you feeling energized. Don't just take our word for it. Try the recipe today. Share your creations and variations in the comments below. For more diabetes-friendly recipes and health tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's conquer low blood sugar together, one delicious spoonful at a time.